Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to crochet the row right after your foundation chain. I will be working with single crochets, which are perfect for beginners. So, grab your yarn and hook, and let's get started. After you've made your foundation chain, turn your work so you can start the first row. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. First, second. Skipping the first chain gives your row a nice edge. Yarn over and pull through the chain. You have now 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. Keep inserting your hook into each chain, making single crochet stitches all the way across. And that's it. You've just finished your first row of single crochets after the foundation chain. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.